Alright guys, good morning. Thought I'd take an opportunity here while I'm getting my coffee ready to give a quick review of the Camp Chef Everest series, or Everest camp stove. Part of the mountain series, it looks like there. That's what it says. Yep. This is our second stove that we've had in our camping adventures. The first one was the Coleman. We went with the Coleman because, you know, Coleman's a good name. I mean, it's a good product. We saw one that had the burner on this side and a little grill over here, and you know, we wake up, we make our coffee, cook our bacon and our eggs, and you know, it was good. But you know, it was a delicate stove, and what I mean by that is the adjustments for the gas. They were either on or they were off. It was very difficult to fine tune and get that sweet spot when it comes to cooking. But with the Everest, it's a whole nother story. So let's see if I can get this going for you. I'm gonna go ahead and, you can see it's off right now. Go ahead and just get it going a little bit. Open her up. Can you hear the gas coming? One quick shot of the button here. It lights up. Now I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. I don't know if you can just see it. Back it up before I turn it up. But I'm just gonna gradually turn it up here. And I'm not even close to being open. That's about wide open right there. So that's a good burn on the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back down, just to get you guys going. So that was the big selling point for me on the stove. Most of the setup, the configuration is traditional. You know, we have the arm over here, and you can put your little, I think it's a 1 pound propane can on there, or you can do what I did, get the hook up and get your little propane bottle, which is fine. I mean, I don't have to lug all those cans around. I got this, I think it's a 10 pound bottle that we use. But this thing is awesome. It's served its purpose. It's well used. I don't know if you can see, you know, some of the rust and things on there. We've had it a couple of years now, but very pleased with this stove. So if you're gonna change stoves, if you're looking to get a first-time stove, this is a good choice. I think they're probably, don't quote me on this because it's been a couple of years, but I want to say it's just around $100 plus or minus. Not that bad compared to some other stuff out there. Anyway, this is a great little stove, and you should definitely put it on your list if you're looking to make a change or get involved.